Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel at CarOg765, where we dive deep into the world of classic cars, powerful trucks, and timeless automotive legends. If you love vintage rides that combine muscle, style, and attitude, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and stay tuned for more amazing stories from the golden era of automobiles. Today, we're taking you back to 1980, a year that marked the end of one of the most unique and iconic vehicles ever produced by Chevrolet, the 1980 Chevrolet El Camino SS. A car that wasn't just a car, and not just a truck either, it was both. The El Camino SS stood at the perfect crossroads between performance and practicality, and even today, it remains one of the most loved creations by Chevrolet fans around the world. The 1980 Chevrolet El Camino SS carried forward the legacy of a vehicle that dared to be different. It was part of the fifth generation, built on the G-body platform, giving it a sleeker and more aerodynamic shape compared to earlier models. Chevrolet gave it a personality that could fit anywhere, whether you were cruising down the boulevard or hauling gear for work, the El Camino SS had your back. Under the hood, the 1980 El Camino SS offered several engine options, starting with a 3.8-liter V6, but the true muscle came from the available 5.0-liter V8, and even the 5.7-liter small block V8. That power was transferred through either a smooth 3-speed automatic or a 4-speed manual transmission, giving drivers the kind of control that muscle car enthusiasts live for. The SS badge wasn't just for show, it stood for Super Sport, and it delivered the performance to match. The exterior styling of the 1980 El Camino SS was pure vintage Chevrolet. Bold lines, a long sweeping hood, and that unmistakable front grille that proudly carried the Chevy emblem. The two-door coupe utility design made it stand out on every street. The SS trim added sporty stripes, rally wheels, and custom badging, making it clear that this wasn't your everyday pickup. It was a statement of style and confidence. Step inside, and you'd find that Chevrolet didn't hold back on comfort either. The cabin offered plush seating, a simple yet elegant dashboard, and all the essentials you'd expect from an American ride of that era. Whether you were heading out for a weekend road trip or simply enjoying a smooth drive through town, the El Camino SS made you feel at home behind the wheel. What really made the 1980 El Camino SS special was its dual nature, a muscle car spirit hidden inside a pickup body. You could tow, haul, or race with it. It was practical enough for work but powerful enough for play. No wonder it became a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts. Over time, it has earned a legendary status, and today, well-maintained models are prized possessions in the classic car community. Driving an El Camino SS was all about making a statement, a mix of rebellion, creativity, and American pride. It represented an era when cars had character, when power was felt in every rumble of the engine, and when design was bold and unapologetic. Even though production of the El Camino ended in 1987, the 1980 model remains one of the most memorable. It's a piece of American history that continues to inspire car lovers and custom builders even today. From drag strips to car shows, this Chevy keeps turning heads, proving that real style never goes out of fashion. If you've ever seen or driven one of these beasts, you know exactly what I mean. That feeling when power meets purpose, and performance meets personality. Thank you for watching this video on the 1980 Chevrolet El Camino SS. If you enjoyed this ride back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe too. At CarOg765 for more amazing stories about classic cars, rare trucks, and automotive legends that shaped the world we drive in today. Stay tuned for the next video, and as always, keep the engines roaring.